respected dignitaries and everyone present here. With this thought in mind, I welcome you all to the Smart India Hackathon 2023. I am excited to hear with you today in the start this year Smart India Hackathon. SIH is a national-wide initiative that provides students with a platform to the solve some of the pressing problems we face in our daily life. SIH and Smart India Hackathon is important because it helps to develop the next generation to the innovative and problem solving. It is a platform for the student to make a positive impact to the world and build a better future for the India. Now I welcome to the first team. Team name is Harshvardhan. They are presenting for the first PPT in the Smart India Hackathon. We welcome you.
You will be only given 7 minutes to present your presentation and 3 minutes for the question answer round from the judges. 7 minutes for the presentation and 3 minutes for the question answer round from the judges. Is that clear?
Harshvardhan Dubey, currently pursuing BTech in 4th year, and my team in NEEM is RB qualified. So our problem statement regarding is doctor appointment scheduling between patients. As you seen there, like most of the patients face so many problems regarding the appointment. Like if you have any problem or any disease, you want to visit hospital. At that time, you face waiting times. Like doctor have so many patients, and you don't know like तुम्हारा time कब आएगा doctor से appointment का. So I have So for this problem, we have so many solutions regarding this. We have also. Can you please move to the next PPT, next page?
You have the slider now? Slider नहीं आपके पास? Slider देना slider. Okay चलो okay. Harshvardhan, we'll start.
So here you can see the what about our problem statement, doctor appointment scheduling. Basically, we are describing our solution designing a app in which we will design a app in which there will be an option for user type or doctor and patients. For doctor, we will if you are a doctor or anyone is logging in the app, first thing doctor have to verify his ID, like his license, his background, so that a patient will appoint the doctor. He can see that a doctor is verified or not. Otherwise, a fake doctor can take advantage of that app. And for second, the medical professional. Doctor from which category or doctor belong, homeopathic. After that, a doctor will see the available appointments, like the patients who appoint the online. For patient section, basically there is a website 2 or 3 regarding this problem statement. So what is the difference between them and mine idea? So the difference between them and mine idea is that
why doctor are enter this your site? Why? Because they are not providing the money. So why they are enter for the doctor register for the doctor in your site?
No sir, we are also providing payment processing.
How can be the payment? You the customer they are providing the payment. You just provide the payment in the doctor.
Patient will provide the
If you are the patient are providing the money, so why they are not going to the physically and in a doctor? Why they are going to your site?
So basically the answer of this is I am facing some symptoms or problem. So basically अगर आप भी है मैं भी जाता हूँ डॉक्टर के पास. So to जैसे मेरे को बुखार है तो वो जो मेडिसिन्स बताता है वो basically अपने चेक.
How can all the people are reliable for this site? The doctor are not the fake. Doctor are not the doctor are good. How can be the reliable? How can be reliable your site?
ओके सो आप यही पूछने के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट के बारे में डॉक्टर और पेशेंट्स को कैसे पता चलेगा?
और जो पेशेंट है वो विश्वास क्यों करेगा? Why they are
Okay,
believing
patient will
it?
buy will trust the so patient will trust this website. Patient will trust this website because of the doctor's verifications, the license, the background of doctor, and it will helpful for the patient. You can
We are announcing the 3 times. Then after they are not coming, just
Team Alpha Clasher. Last call for the team Alpha Clasher. We have team Alpha Clashers with us. After that, team Tech Ace. Please report. Team Tech Ace. After that, team Hacklight. We are starting with the team Alpha Clashers.
My name is Milan Soni and I am the student of second year. Today I am here to present my idea on problem statement from my team side Alpha Clashers. So our problem statement is just like judges, lawyers, they have facing problems which is to read the big bit of books to problem out the solution, which is different acts, collections, CTPs, and just like we insert all the documents in a chat board, just like to in the background. AI
what is the problem, your problem, then after how can we solve this problem? Only these things. Only because the time limitation is very low now. 38 team are here.
Okay. Our problem statement is we want to provide through the ChatGPT judges and law against the Coal Mining Act, 1966 Act, Industrial Mining Act, and for that we have a solution. We have made a chatbot through these technologies: RPA chatbot framework, security database, backend server, APIs, cloud computing, machine learning, natural language, and NLU, natural programming language.
How can we implement all the things in the one platform? How can we implement all the things?
They all are not in a one platform.
You know that how can the work for the ChatGPT? Which algorithm are used in the ChatGPT?
9 ways algorithm.
Yeah, only the one algorithm, na? You just use the 3 algorithm the one time.
This is popular algorithm.
Now, I'm just asking, the ChatGPT are using only the one algorithm at a time.
Yes, sir.
And you just using the 3 algorithm at a time. How can it be possible?
Their RPA and NLP and NLU are AIs, not in a not as
Do you know
algorithm.
the natural language process? They are a very lengthy process.
Yes, sir.
How can you work for the natural language process? You know about it?
We made a board with the AI and ML, which created this all AI machine
Flowchart is
learning.
there? Flowchart?
Yes,
Just
sure.
explain the flowchart. This is your flowchart. This is your flowchart, na? Your idea is flowchart. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Team name Tech Titans. And team leader Ayush Ray. Team leader Ayush Ray. Next. Team leader Prakash Singh. Team leader Govind Chawla. Team leader Sachin. Team leader Anisha Jha. Team leader Tushar Aditya Sharma and Anand. All these team leaders have to take their team to LH44. LH44 on the 4th floor. Team leader Anushka, first year. Team Fitness Fusion. Team Prime 0101. Team Fanatic. Team Sports Psych, Team Hack Elite, Tech Scouts, Haku, Code Genesis, Team Code Genesis, and team leader Sakshi Saxena. All these teams have to report to Auditorium 3.
Hello. Good morning, teachers and everybody present here. We are Team Tactics and our problem statement is smart and effective street parking. So आज जनरली हम कहीं भी जाते हैं मार्केट प्लेसेस और एनी क्राउडेड एरियाज हम नोटिस करते हैं कि हमें पार्किंग नहीं मिलती या फिर होती है हेलो या फिर बहुत ही ज़्यादा भीड़ होती है और हमें ढूंढने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है. सो वी आर हियर to provide solution to it. Now team leader Satyam Tiwari will continue.
Please move to the next slide. As my friend told you, our problem is real-time traffic management and revenue system. We have to provide the spaces or the occupied spaces will be shown in red. So after the authentication, whenever the user uses the location app, he has to opt either free spaces which are not charged, like the 3-4 parking spaces that are generally available in the public spaces. He can use either that or the other option. If he is using the reserved spaces, he will get an interface where if touches the in area, interface will open. He has to enter his name and registration number. Then he has to pay 15 to 20 charges, which are dynamic, which change according to the occupancy of the parking spaces or the day or the busy dates, like New Year and Christmas when there are busy parkings. Then he has to pay a bit more because it is a dynamic data type. Then which are prices change according to. I'm from third semester.
You are from third semester. Okay, Satyam, tell me one thing, that what your app is going to do is it is going to tell you that what are the total number of space available to park our car or two-wheeler, whatever it is, or it is going to tell you that specific place, just like in we do in Paytm and Book My Show app to buy a ticket for a movie. It can tell you that what is the particular seat that is available. So what your app is going to do particularly?
Sir, our app will do particularly is whenever you enter your live location, it will first of all show that there are 1, 2 and 3 spaces where you can park nearby. Whenever you click on one of the spaces, then another page will open which will show the available spaces with numbering 1, 2, 3 and till 100. If it is a big parking of a mall or a cinema hall, it has 100 parking, then it will show numbering also 1, 2, 3 till 100, and the occupied spaces are red and the empty spaces are green. Whenever you click on the green empty space, it will then open for the payment option, and as the moment you pay, it will scan, it will give you a QR that you are.
But how your app will detect that which place is empty?
Sir, because when a person has done payment for some spot and the QR is generated, our database will also change that spot, that green spot into red. So then again the left out the green spots are still green, but this green spot that is just been occupied by me will turn into red, so the other users know that it is.
So it is just going to work just like we are booking a ticket for a movie.
Yes sir, yes sir. Any other questions? Anybody in the hall can ask questions if you have any question. Yeah, Milan. Data overlap in the sense I am not getting you whatever you are trying to ask, but okay. Please go back to the next slide. I have the answer on the next slide, please. I'm getting you not. If the internet connection is not working, that is what you are asking. That's something not the application maker has.
Team leaders, please make sure that you have only 7 minutes to present your idea and only 3 minutes for the query. The audience, please also keep in mind that they have only 3 minutes for your questions, so please don't come up with follow-up questions. Keep it concise and short. Next up, we have Team Genesis.
है कि जो रेनी सीजन होते हैं 4 से 5 महीने का जो टाइम होता है उस पीरियड में माइनिंग्स होती हैं एट द हाइट ऑफ 1250 मीटर्स पे, तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है उधर से ट्रांसपोर्ट करना हैवी अर्थ मशीनरीज को। सो बेसिकली मशीनरी ट्रक्स और लोडर्स होते हैं और इसमें जो भी सामान लाना होता है हमें ऊपर से नीचे तक लेके आना होता है डंप करने के लिए हमें। सो अगर हम हाइट देखें जो कि बुर्ज खलीफा की हाइट है 828 मीटर,